ke channel.
Take your sunglasses off.
It's alright, I want to wear my glasses.
Alright then, you wear your glasses. Hola, ¿qué tal?
Danofia, apa kabar Anda semua di manapun Anda berada? Hopefully Anda semua dalam keadaan sehat hendaknya ya. Oke, hari ini kami mau ke waterfall sebab sekarang ini musim panas, so everybody like going to the beach, river, lake. Tapi kita orang mau pergi, is it like a river tadi?
Yeah, it's a river.
It's a waterfall.
Yeah, but what is it that's before a waterfall?
River.
Yeah, and what's after a waterfall?
River. Kawan kita orang Malaysia juga, jadi kita akan makan lunch before we go for swimming. We go for the swim, right?
Well, all together at the same time. We'll be swimming and eating lunch at the same time.
Ariana, you excited? Do you want to swim?
Yeah.
How did you swim? That's how Ariana swim. I also now started exercise. Dia macam weightlifting, macam dumbbells, push up. I feeling good. I feeling more energy. Usually I selalu feeling tired because I'm not exercise. So for you guys out there in Malaysia, at least buat exercise, apapun exercise you doing, macam yoga ke, macam pergi kerja apa guys, sibuk. Okay, macam exercise yoga, walking also good, running. At least buatlah exercise guys. Sebab kita kan di Malaysia banyak makanan yang sedap-sedap di Malaysia, jadi do some exercise is good to burn some calories. So cayo for you guys. So sekarang nih kami mau ke tempat picnic areas where we can eat. Sekarang nih kita orang prepare kita punya makanan. So, kita ada nasi lemak. Ini kakak yang buat, tengok nasi lemak dia. Wow, look at it, complete.
Ariana, wait. Here, Ariana. Here. Buka. This one, you like this chicken?
Nah, wow, ada ayam goreng kunyit.
You like this one?
Ada spoon. Wow, look. Apa tu?
Makan.
Ojek.
Kojak. I have raw kojak.
Ada buah. Then we have vegetable. Oh, look at that. The cake is later. Banyaknya you bawa.
I thought we go on picnic. This is what we bring. When you go picnic, you have to make sure it's proper picnic.
One of the vegetarian.
Yeah.
Well, they got balachan.
No,
No,
fish. Only
this is
fish.
that's not fish, that one.
No, this is tayo.
So let's eat.
Okay.
Oh my god.
That's that one, isn't it? That's that
Nasi jatuh guys. It's okay, the bird can eat.
So you want to eat
Good job that only had the rice on it.
Imagine if all the rice.
How was it, Daddy?
Oh, it's amazing.
First time we do picnic, right, Daddy? This is amazing, actually.
This
Look at the view.
isn't a picnic how most people have a picnic. This is how Malaysians have a picnic.
Tengok guys.
For me, without
Yum
cheese.
yum.
Look, baby.
Mm.
You like them?
Mm.
No? They wait for divine revelation. Pretty good.
What you doing, Nana? Go swimming? Yeah? at the water, so clean, right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Say something.
Oh, it's so nice. That's amazing. It's so refreshing. It leaves you just feeling so great when you go swimming in clean water like that, straight from the mountains. We're now going back to the car, and then we're going back to Auntie Kaz's house for another swim, and Sophia's going to have more ice cream.
This is where people like to jump. Wow. Want to see? Don't touch it, Nana.
See if you can touch him. You'll never touch him, we've moved too quickly.
This is my one.
Nothing is so special about water.
This is Uncle Michael one.
Semua dia buat hijau.
Itulah. Sakit Dia tak finger. Eat apple in the lana. Is it like that?
Nah,
How is it?
apa the lana? Eat apa the lana? Is it like that?
Yeah. Alright guys, berakhirlah sudah video kita orang kali ini. Habis mandi semua di waterfall. We have a lot of fun and eating nice food. Nasi lemak, nice, really nice picnic food. But Daniel kata it's not just a picnic. It's like a what tadi?
Oh
Like a banquet.
Banquet, buffet.
No, a banquet. That's what royal people have for celebrations. They have massive table spreads with more food than they could ever eat.
That's why I told him this is Malaysian style.
Definitely Malaysian style.
Alright guys, terima kasih kerana I know. Mami need to say this. Alright guys, terima kasih kerana menonton video kali ini. Jumpa lagi di episode akan datang.